audio channel, speaker type, total speakers, subwoofer design, high frequency, lowest frequency, subwoofer power, audio formats, streaming audio, standard surround, lossless surround. Next, features: HDMI ARC ERC, delicious enhancement, voice clarity modes, room collaboration, TV remote control, spatial modes, next, connectivity, HDMI inputs, HDMI outputs, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, AirPlay and Chromecast, optical inputs, smart home, music streaming. Next, general information, launch date, release price, primary design, soundbar weight, subwoofer weight, app support, voice assistant, included accessories. Thanks for watching. For more updates, subscribe to my channel.